In this video, I'm going to show you how to put two tables side by side in Google Doc. First, go to Insert, Table. We need two cells. Now we are going to put another two tables in those two cells. First, I'm going to put one here. Go again, Insert, Table, and make it another one here. So here it is. Now we need to read off the outline of this box. So go to Format, Table Properties. From the color, make it 0 point. So now we have two tables side by side in Google Docs. Is this video help to solve your problem? Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.